name is John 𝗟𝗲𝗱𝗲𝗀𝗀, and this is The Digital Analyst, where AI makes sense and digital dominance begins.
The Digital Analyst with John 𝗟𝗲𝗱𝗀𝗀𝗀, powered by Insight Jam.
At least once every century, there is some historical event, global shift, or technology transformation that changes the world. In the 21st century, AI is the radical change agent that will change the way we think, act, innovate, and lead. My prediction is that within the next 10 years, at least 50% of everything we do today will be done differently. We have a choice to make. If we do nothing with AI, we will find ourselves eclipsed by those who figure out how to use it efficiently. If we use AI in the same way that everybody else uses it, we will become like everyone else and reduce ourselves to the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator will rise above those who choose not to use AI, but it will still be the lowest common denominator. Instead of just surfing the AI wave, we have to rise above it. We have to find uncommon ways to use it. We have to learn to harness the power of AI in ways that transcend our current experience. Most of today's use cases for AI are nothing more than finding better ways to do something we've always done. New technology shifts always start by finding more efficient ways and faster ways to do what we've done in the past. We already know that AI can double the speed of innovation. We know it can increase productivity, but we have barely touched the surface of what can be done with AI. AI leaders will create new business models, invent new products, and discover new services that we have never before conceived of. Perhaps even more importantly, imagine a generation of leaders using AI to become better leaders, better directors, better managers, even better people. What if AI could transform our leadership style, helping us operate like the best leaders of all time? What if AI could help us surround ourselves with the people we need to double, triple, or quadruple our potential? Consider the impact of AI as an executive coach, always by our side, ready to give us feedback, to drive home our communication, fine-tune our strategy, or exceed our expectations for execution. I'm convinced that AI can do all of these things, and it can be done on our behalf today. For that reason, I'm excited to welcome Geoff Woods to our podcast today. Geoff is already helping thousands of leaders overcome their biggest challenges and exalt their leadership. He is the CEO and founder of AI Leadership, a firm dedicated to empowering AI-driven leaders who harness AI to build better businesses and better lives. He's the author of The AI-Driven Leader, Harnessing AI to Make Faster, Smarter Decisions, a book that, by the way, radically transformed my thinking about AI. As the former chief growth officer of Jindal Steel and Power, Geoff drove market cap growth from $750 million to $12 billion in 4 years through AI-driven leadership. He also co-founded the training and consulting company behind Gary Keller's The One Thing, where he coached and advised companies with revenues from $10 million to $60 billion. I can guarantee it, this is not an episode you want to miss. So grab a glass of wine or a cup of coffee and join me on my Tuscan farm right here in the hills between Florence and Lucca for The Digital Analyst.